Escape to the country to find this fabulous 15-acre farm with a 60*x100 pole barn. This custom-built home features a metal roof, open floor plan, waterproof flooring, huge living room with gas fireplace, 2 bonus rooms, office/library and sunroom/den already plumbed to add a wet bar, large laundry room with a half bathroom and instant hot water heater with individual shut-offs, dining area with a window seat, a cook-stream kitchen with tons of cabinets, walk-in pantry, granite countertops, farmhouse sink, 6-burner plus griddle, commercial gas stove, commercial vent hood, ultra-quiet dishwasher, built-in microwave, island, and breakfast bar. Spacious bedrooms, all with en-suites and walk-in closets. Gigantic owner's suite boasts a walk-in closet with built-ins, walk-in jacuzzi tub, separate ceramic tile shower, and his/her sinks. All this plus garden areas, chicken coop, pig pen, potting shed with well, and 60*x100 pole barn with foam insulation, and features an office, extra room upstairs, PUI system for working on equipment, 2 huge doors on each end, and a roll-up door on the side. What are you waiting for? Call